Hello and welcome to another update video about Solana. In this video, we just want to focus on this particular price action here that started on the 10th of March. As you may be aware, if you've been following my videos, the view is that off the 10th of March low, we rallied in a wave 1. We came down in a wave W, rallied in an X wave, and we're now coming down in a Y wave. That could technically be complete, yeah, because I can count in the Y wave an A wave, I can count a B wave, and I can count a C wave, basically complete or nearly complete, yeah. There is not going to be the point where I say now we have a low in, but there is the point where I say now we could have the low in, yeah. So the low could certainly be in. I still think it's not, because otherwise we would see a bit more of a bullish reaction. But we are now in the support zone. We're dancing on the golden ratio. You can see how relevant that level was. It's the $19 level here, 61.8 retracement, and price is respecting that. Price, however, is still in the descending wedge. I think we could see possibly a breakout today, depending on the inflation data. Of course, I don't know what that data will be. I don't know if it's going to be bullish or bearish for crypto short term. Yeah, if it's they typically have some kind of an influence. Typically they don't change the trend, these types of reports, but we have a point where the correction could technically be finished, so it may just need a catalyst to get it moving. But yeah, you know, it's possible it's over. I've got this alternative count to watch, which is the blue one, which might get another wave 4 high and another wave 5 down. At the moment though, I just leave it as alternative. I have it on the chart as info. I already made you aware yesterday. That count is just different in terms of not counting this as WXY, but as an ABC structure. And then in the C wave, we had here a wave 1, a wave 2. All of this is a wave 3. All of this, by the way, is an ending diagonal. Then we could get a wave 4 and a wave 5. Yeah, this is absolutely still on the table. And if the next move up is going to be corrective, then it's likely this wave 4. Where could that wave 4 go? Maybe that's something to talk about, because we haven't talked about that yesterday. That you have some kind of a resistance area to watch. Well, the problem is in a diagonal, these can go quite high. What I will do, I'm going to add for now let me see, resistance. I'm just going to add the 23 to the 50% retracement onto the chart, but just be aware that one second. Yeah, I'll leave it like that. Just be aware that you can easily get a little higher, but this is sort of, there are two levels to watch, $20.76, $21.37, all the way up to the 50% retracement for a wave 4. Certainly resistance we would need to overcome if we want to break out higher, right? This 50% retracement level at 21.30 is also exactly where the previous wave 4 was sitting. A point where certainly price has a chance to react. So let's see, there's some confluence between that fib level and that previous wave 4. But yeah, if we zoom in a little bit, I mean, what you can see, I can count 5 waves down already here. So it could technically be over this move in this wave count, but I just need to, this is the micro count, so this can easily extend further. But you can see just by looking at this descending wedge, we're basically getting squeezed here into an apex and volatility is reducing. And that's typically a sign that an impulsive move is following. It's really good that it didn't break it to the downside, that wedge, because that would be quite bearish. That can, of course, still happen. And important is for further upside in a third wave out of this scenario, we need to hold $17.78. If we break below 17.78, we may have to move to the alternative count, which can also be bullish. It's just that we have a different count, which will impact targets to the upside. And it would mean that we have to reset this wave 2 over here, but we're not there yet. So it's just that you need to know there is a bullish fallback scenario. Solana actually is holding quite well compared to many other cryptos. So there's a good chance that it will turn around here at some point. Looking at, for example, the daily and looking at the indicators, you can see that the RSI is nearly oversold, but we're not quite there yet. We're not oversold yet. Well, it doesn't mean we need to get to 30, but the last time we went to the oversold range on the daily time frame, that was here the 10th of March. That was a decent rally. Before that, we had the rally of the December lows. So it is an indicator that can forecast significant lows and more lasting lows, but obviously we're not there yet. So it still has space to drop a little lower. Yeah, and the move up of the lows is also very corrective. So at the moment, the market is not decided. And I think we may see a move as a reaction to the inflation data today. Okay, that's my update about Solana. I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.